What's going on? So basically for today's video, I'm gonna be presenting you with the second part of like everything that I done on like the Tennessee like miniature getaway. So basically in today's video, I'm gonna be featuring like some of the later stuff that I did like the first day of this day trip, and then like me going to Ruby Falls like the early part of the second day. So that's probably what like this video is gonna be. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so it's like a little after 7:30, and actually I ended up making it in the Eastern time zone just now. Making it to like the fourth waterfall I'm gonna be checking today. Depending on how much time I have and how much time I spend here, I don't know if this is like the last place I'm gonna visit. Kind of just depends on how long I stay here. I was planning on like going to Foster Falls. It's like half an hour like south of here, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do that today or if I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to do that. here. I don't know if I'm going to be having time to go to Foster Falls today, but this is definitely worth seeing, swimming here. Hope you enjoyed everything that I did here. I think there's like another like smaller waterfall at this park that I'm going to go see on my way out, so I'll see you guys once I get there. It's a little after 8:30 Eastern time, which would mean to be a little after 7:30 Central time. So I hope you enjoyed everything that I did here. It's about like half an hour drive to get to Foster Falls, and I think the sun's gonna be setting around 9. So if I do go there, honestly, it'd probably just be to get a view of the falls and nothing else. I wouldn't be doing any swimming there because I'm already probably gonna have barely any time to like look at the falls if I do decide to go there. So I'll see you guys either if I do decide to stop there for a little bit, or I'll see you guys for the outro. Okay, so it's like almost 8:30. Ended up making it back into Central time, but made it to like the place where Foster Falls is. Can't really get like a good view, but you get a nice sunset here. Try to make it down like where the waterfall is, and it was like would have been too dark to get a really good view, but at least got a cool sunset here. Bit of a bummer I didn't get to come here. I might try to come here tomorrow if I have some extra time. Like basically the last waterfall I'm gonna be seeing is like near Nashville, so if I have like some time before going to see that waterfall, I might come back here and try to see this place, but didn't really work out tonight. Hope you enjoyed everything that I did do so far in today's video, but I'll either see you guys for anything I decide to do later tonight, or I'll see you guys for what I decide to do tomorrow. Okay, so it's almost 9:30, so made to a rest area. So I'm about like maybe like a half an hour from like the place I'm gonna be staying at tonight. Okay, so it's almost midnight right now. Made to the Eastern time zone again. Ended up making it to the hotel room I'm gonna be staying at tonight. Hope you enjoyed like everything that I did so far in today's video. I don't know what else is gonna be included in this part of the video. I think I'm gonna be like going to Ruby Falls tomorrow early in the morning, so it'll probably be like this like last part of today's video. I don't know if there's gonna be anything after that in this part of the video, but I'll see you guys once I make it to Ruby Falls tomorrow. Okay, so it's almost 7:30, like the next morning, Eastern time. So pretty much like getting ready to leave the hotel and like head to Ruby Falls. So I'll see you guys once I get to Ruby Falls.
Normally, I talk to the group with a microphone. So using the microphone would be an overkill. Yoda talks a little bit more about the cave, so feel free to take.
To create formations without water.
And we're gonna go to the left tunnel. To the yeah, it is Leo and Ruby themselves. So water here. But Leo thought there was onyx here. Here is what we call a column, retouching a stalagmite. See at the side of buildings. A group ahead of us, so we will be standing. We walk up here further. The taller folks would appreciate.
Hello, everybody.
Accidentally fall asleep, which when the gift shop started.
Like draperies flowing from limestone is a unique work of art.
Use handrails as provided and forgot.
Share the story of the broken off the last up ahead we will be able to see in some circumstances. Now again, it's carved out to the point. Angel's wing illuminated by white. Now normally
Looking up through crevices along the path reveals hidden
does anyone like Star Trek?
We used to study.
Of the rock above after the Months of for us and donate them started because of a famous baseball player that Chattanooga was able to strike out Babe Ruth. Keep in mind, this is glass on rock on how this was created. And then that column was created.
So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like they're playing cards, close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret.
Okay, so this is about all I'm gonna be doing for this part of the video. So hope you enjoy me going back to Greer Falls and like going swimming there. Ended up being a really fun experience getting to see that place again. I also hope you enjoy me checking out Ruby Falls for the first time. Subscribe, keep my post notifications on, see you next. Stay tuned for the next part of the video I'm gonna be having because I'm gonna be like featuring some more waterfalls. One of the waterfalls I'm gonna be featuring is a new waterfall like around Georgia, Alabama area, and then me going to like this place called Cummins Falls, which is like near Nashville. It's possible Foster Falls might be in that video too, so stay tuned for that, and without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out!